Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED taillight installation guide for the JK Jeep Wrangler. Before we get started, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Check out how Spyder lights change the look of your Jeep. Remove the two inner Phillips head screws securing the taillight to the body. Unseat the taillight by carefully swinging it outwards to free it. Disconnect the wiring harness and set the OEM taillight aside. Locate your Spyder taillight. Connect the Spyder taillight to the wiring harness. Seat the Spyder taillight. Reinstall the two inner Phillips screws that secure the taillight. Then you're done. Congratulations, you've fitted your JK Jeep Wrangler with a set of modern LED taillights from Spyder Auto.